Welcome to the final presentation of our training series, the quizzes. D2L has many options for quizzes. There are many topics we will cover in this lesson, but for this presentation I will hit on the important basics and a few side notes. To create a new quiz, select the new icon. As you can see, you have the same options with your quizzes as you did with your Dropbox assignments. You can complete the grading items here, or you can do all of those separately in grades. Here you can let the student see immediately what their grade is after completion. The options below are additional properties you can set in the quiz. You can send emails notifying students of completion, create messages in the quizzes, and much more. For this presentation, we're going to keep it simple. You can include in your quiz headers, footers, and messages concerning the quiz. Next, you can advance to the next tab and choose Restrictions. Here's where you can decide a number of different things. You can decide when the quiz should be active. Here you can decide the time limit of the quiz and whether you want learners to see a clock. You can also give your students a grace period on time if desired. Once you are finished, you may continue to the other tabs concerning the quiz, or you may go ahead and save and deal with the quiz properties later. For this presentation, we will continue to the other properties. Here you can decide how many attempts the learner should have. Here is where you will need to focus most of the attention. This is where you will actually put in your quiz questions. Here is where you will select the type of question you will be asking. You can choose a number of different options from true to false to fill in the blank to short answer. Remember, the more complex the answers will be, the more time you will probably spend. The basics of the quiz are the points, question, selection of answers, and the correct answer. As you can see, you can decide how many points a question will be worth, and you can type in your question. The text box has the same properties as the other text boxes. You can use images, links, and videos if you desire. Here, you will put your selection of answers for the learner to choose from. To the side of the selections is an area for feedback. You can provide feedback for every question, no matter how the learner answers it if you like. This is a great option for complicated subject matters. Under the column weighted, you'll want to give the correct answer all the weight so you can type in 100%. If there is any reason you wish to give partial credit for an answer, you can add the appropriate percentage to that partially correct answer. For this presentation, I am giving only 100% credit to the answer blue. Once you have completed, you have several options. You can simply save and return to the question layout page. This would be the right option if you need to change the question layout. You can choose Save and Copy. This will copy the entire question and answer selections. This is ideal if you want learners to select the correct responses from the same selection of answers. Your final choice is Save and New. This will keep your question layout format only. This is the option we will choose for this presentation. Now we are back at the beginning. I can now add another question and selection of answers. I'm going to continue to add questions to my quiz. Now that you have seen how to create a quiz, I am going to cancel and return to my quiz home page. This is the conclusion of the D2L training session. I hope this video series is helpful to you as you put together your D2L courses.